Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn or we are going to see how map and filter function work in React.js. Why we are not able to use filter function whenever we want to render the JSX. Okay, and we have to always use map function. Why? Let me show you what is the difference between map and filter function first in JavaScript, then we are going to understand why it is not working in React. Okay, so let's move to the JavaScript compiler. I have opened one compiler. Okay, let's take an array A, an array of simple numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and on this A array, we are going to map first. So by the definition, you know what is map. Okay, so map is used for transformation of array. Okay, map is a transformation function. If we multiply by 2, okay, this will give us the result as every element multiplied by 2. Oh, I am logging A, so let's output and log the output. Fine, so this is transformation object, but filter is not a transformation object. Filter only return, like filter will either return the element or it will not return the element. Okay, I will take the same example. Instead of map, I will use filter, and here first I will return every element. So what will be the output? Same 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, let's run the program. 1 2 3 4 5 same, but if we are returning here each equal to only odd number, if I say so, each modulus 2 equal to 0. Fine, and what will be the output? 2 4. Okay, let's run. Fine. So by this example we are able to understand that map is a filter property. Like it will not it will not transform the array. Okay, it will either return that element or not. Even if you, let's see, this is interesting example. Even if you return here like 0 and use this yes and no, so what will be the answer? Like you will be thinking like it will be print 2f, like yes yes 2 times because we are returning yes here, but no, it will return all the element 1 2 3 4 5. Let's run and see why it will return 1 2 3 4 5. Because this filter function will only understand either return or not return. So if this condition is met, this will come here and this will convert this yes into true or false. So yes is a truthy value because it is a string, and empty string is equal to my true. So it will return 2 or 4 for this, and whenever this will come to no, so no as a string is also a truthy value in JavaScript, so it will return 1 3 5 for that. But if you return 1 here and return 0 here, so the output will be same 2 or 4 because 1 is a truthy value and 0 is a false value. See, so this same concept is used in the React. So whenever we are rendering a map, we most of the time render a JSX element like li, some div. Okay, and let's say if you return some div here like this in this example, if you return, mm, let me make some div. Okay, mm, I hope it will not give error because the compiler is JavaScript. But let's see what will it log. Oh, it will give an error. So let's check as a string value. Fine. Now it will work. See, it will return everything. But if you do the same thing here, okay, let me copy this and comment this. Filter will not work like that. It will only, if you do the same thing and you suppose it will return this div and each, no, it will return all the element because this is a string and string is a truth value in JavaScript. Okay, let's run. See, 1 2 3 4. Even this will not return truth value, means it have to return the original value, that is 1 2 3 4. Fine. That is why in the React.js you are not able to see the actual output. So let's go to the React.js and let's do some hands-on. So let's say we have simple const our variable a, and in the a we have array and array of object. Let's say name. My name is Shadab. Okay, and we have something. Let's say my friend name is Rohit. Okay, and if we use our map, let's copy the same map here, remove this string. Okay, so that this red is not any error. Okay, fine. So what do you think, what will be render? Only the each dot name if I render, but in the div Rohit and Shada. But if you use filter, so what will be the output? Object are not rendered in React. Fine. Why? Because this will return the same object. Understand? This will return the same object. Let me show you with the help of this example here. React will not able to render the object directly. So sorry, let's run. See, name and Shadab, and React will not able to render the object, so it is showing that objects are not valid child. But if you have a simple 1 2 3 1 2 3 and you are using each, React will render, React will have no problem, but it will not render as a JSX. Understand? This div is not render here. Even if you do the inspect element here, you will able to see the JSX is not render. It will only render the simple 1 2 3 as a string, as individual value, not the JSX. Even you have write the JSX, it will not render the JSX. So I hope here you understand why. And if you use map here, it will use the div, because map is a transformation object and filter is not. So thank you for watching here, and I hope in this video you have learned something new. Okay, thanks.